प्यार मेरा सुपरस्टार विथ मी गरिमा कुमार।
Sakai, bye.
I love Sharuk Khan.
We love Shahrukh Khan.
I love you too, शाहरुख। जी हाँ, हम पहुँच गए हैं पेरिस, द सिटी ऑफ रोमांस में। Everybody loves Paris. Paris loves शाहरुख खान। And शाहरुख खान किसको लव करता है? जी हाँ, शाहरुख loves गौरी खान।
ये एक ऐसी शख्सियत है जो निभा रही है जिंदगी में कई तरह के रोल्स। शाहरुख खान की खूबसूरत लाइफ पार्टनर होने के साथ साथ ये है आज एक कामयाब बिजनेस वुमन, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर, फर्नीचर डिजाइनर, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर, एक बेहतरीन माँ और एक फ्रेंड फॉर लाइफ। मिलिए गौरी खान से।
भाई पेरिस के लोग, आप लोग तो बहुत लकी हो क्योंकि आपको मौका मिल रहा है गौरी खान को होस्ट करने का। गौरी जो है वो अपने बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव हाई एंड फर्नीचर डिजाइन्स मेजर ऑब्जेक्ट जो एक यहाँ का बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव ट्रेड फेयर है वहाँ उसको शोकेस करने वाली हैं और साथ में पहुँच गए हैं हम। And finally the moment is here. I have arrived at the Gauri Khan stand and it is beautiful. Gauri, बहुत 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 खूबसूरत चीज़ें मुझे दिख रही हैं तो काफ़ी hard work गया है. Happy with the way things have come together?
Yes, I'm thrilled. I'm really happy to be here, to be amongst all the pioneers in design, modern design, excellence in design.
Gauri Khan was one of our most important and regular Indian buyers of Maison Objet for years. So today Maison is very proud and very happy to welcome and accompany Gauri is in a new venture, the launch of her lifestyle, home living and lifestyle collection.
We are all of course missing Shahrukh a lot, but I can see कि शाहरुख का presence यहाँ पर तभी भी है, हाँ? If these
अच्छा, आपको दिख गया. I'm surprised that you've seen this because मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि किसी को पता लगेगा कि ये क्या है. As you know, I've collaborated with Lesage on the stand. So he's French, but he works from India. He lives in Chennai now.
This is very beautiful. Do you know that? I'm sure you know the significance of these eyes.
At least like that we are sure that Shahrukh is keeping an eye on what we are doing together. No, and it's also a great tribute decided by Gauri about the luxury handicraft in India and the fact that we should not take for granted what we have and continue to promote the beautiful artisans we have in our country.
So there's this beautiful light here on the right hand side. It's made from rock crystal and made in France. जिसके साथ मैंने collaborate किया, his name is Regis. He has got people back in our country who sourced a lot of lights के लिए material from Jaipur and they are then flown to France and he then makes lights out of those the rock crystal and whatever material he's sourcing.
Originally, the chandelier in Europe was like jewelry and was made with rock crystal, not a crystal or a glass, but rock crystal stones. Okay. This stone was used to find in the Alps, in center of Europe. But on 20th century, it was forbidden to find the rock crystal in Europe. And I had the idea to go to India and find the rock crystal in India, source the rock crystal in India.
तो ये मन्नत जा रहा है ये.
बिल्कुल exhibition के बाद सीधा.
Well, that's really great because your channel is going to be in the house of one of the most beautiful homes of India actually.
Yeah, I'm very proud.
गौरी मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आई, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं, कुछ बताएंगे इसके बारे में?
I remember going to Orissa and seeing the Sun Temple of Konark. When I saw the temple built in the 13th century, I was amazed when I saw it, conceived as a chariot, and the beautiful wheels. And this is a part of that. These are actually wheels if you see. It's on digital print.
गौरी आपका जो डिज़ाइनिंग का पैशन है, आपकी फैमिली में और भी कोई लोग हैं जो who share the same passion as you?
मेरा भाई है, and this is what he's made for me as a special gift for the fair. और ये उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया मेरे साथ मिलकर.
So joining us now is Rajiv, who's a part of Craft Red, and with me is Gauri. So how did this collaboration come about with Rajiv?
Rajiv has recently designed Aryan's room. So we were both working at it, and Aryan was giving the maximum inputs, and Rajiv was following, and I was just watching. And the outcome of the entire design and the time period we took, he did it within 6-8 months, which was really quick. And when I saw the room, it just turned out to be so brilliant that I was like, he's the guy who's going to work for me for my collection.
So the brief from Aryan was pretty straightforward. It has to be his pad, and his mom should not be consulted on anything with respect to how his pad is dealt with. But other than Gauri had some great ideas in terms of there was a specific wooden floor which we did, a lot of the details, the bar counters. So those were the clues which she would share with us, and we would kind of develop it, take it forward, and take that vision into how to convert it, like resolve the technical aspects of it really. And she was super effective in that sense. She would be whichever time zone she was in. If I sent her something, I would get a immediate response. So I don't know when she sleeps honestly, but it's great. So it's great working with someone who can give you decisions pretty much instantaneously.
तो गौरी आपका फेवरेट पीस इस कलेक्शन में कौन सा है?
जहाँ आप खड़े हैं, आपके पीछे.
अच्छा
Yeah, so this is a day bed. We've called it a day bed. It's 2.7 meters in height. Even though it has these larger than life, it doesn't look like a piece of furniture, and it's huge, but when you sit, it just engulfs you. It just puts you all together once you sit, and it gives you that warmth and that comfort.
तो गौरी ये जो डिज़ाइनिंग का जो ये कीड़ा था, ये कब आप में आया और कैसे हुआ ये?
तो in school मैं हमेशा I was doing art from class 7 till 12th, then in college. So graphic design and painting, oil on canvas. So it's not that it's suddenly I've been connected to, design can be in any field. And when we started working on my home, Mannat, my architect Kef was working with us at that point. And he would come with the plans and the layouts and all the color palettes and everything to do with the house. And I got very attracted to what he was doing. Whatever he would say about the planning and the walls and the textures and the colors and the design, so I started showing a very keen interest.
तो गौरी कहते हैं कि हर घर कुछ कहता है, तो गौरी खान का घर क्या कहता है?
मेरे घर में हर चीज़ कंफर्टेबल होनी चाहिए. सबसे पहले साफ और cleanliness is what I believe in before design. The home has to be clean and comfortable, and then the design has to follow.
तो गौरी आपके घर में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो अलाउड हैं and which are like no way in Gauri's home?
सबसे पहले तो no smoking का sign. I want to put a big no smoking outside my house.
मतलब शाहरुख खान enter the house.
Exactly. That's the biggest problem, that even though I think that should be the rule of my house, I think everybody is breaking the rules. And these are only my thoughts, and I can't do anything. I'm helpless about it. But that's what I would like. Jhadu katka. Very important, a mop. हर जगह, हर रूम में, और एक room freshener. Very important. So it smells beautiful, it's clean, and no smoking.
गौरी, जो हर लड़की जो होती है वो अपनी माँ को देख के बहुत चीज़ें सीखती है कि अपनी मेरी मम्मी घर कैसे सजाती हैं, कितना क्लीन रखती हैं, तो आपने भी अपनी माँ से ये सब सीखा है?
हाँ बिल्कुल, बट एक मैंने बात उनसे बिल्कुल नहीं सीखी, कुकिंग।
अच्छा।
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता बनाना। तो ये सच बात है। नो बट नो, जोक्स अपार्ट, आई हैव रियली लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम माय मदर। शी was very house proud. Always whenever she had lunches at home, कोई dinner party, कुछ भी, she would always have beautiful flowers, candles, do a great setup, and I think I've learned a lot from her.
हमारी जो सुहाना है, उन्होंने कितना सीखा है आपसे?
सुहाना तो सीख रही है। अब मुझसे नहीं, अपने पिताजी से सीखेंगी। उनसे ज़्यादा सीखने को है। I think she wants to act, not to show. So as I said, that skill is her father's, and I'm sure she has a lot to learn from him.
यार मेरा सुपरस्टार with me गरिमा कुमार।
Paris is the design capital. You can learn so much, even on the streets of Paris, looking at such beautiful architecture.
गौरी, हम आईफिल टावर के सामने खड़े हुए हैं, वो भी पेरिस में। तो क्या यादें जुड़ी हैं आपकी आईफिल टावर के साथ?
पहली बारी वी केम विद द किड्स, शाहरुख, मैं, आर्यन, सुहाना, तो हम लोग सब एक साथ आए थे और हम लोग इधर ही थे, थोड़ा आगे, और आर्यन वाज रनिंग आफ्टर द पिजन्स,
ओके,
एंड सुहाना वाज स्लीपिंग ऑन द ग्रास, और दे वर नॉट लुकिंग एट द आईफिल टावर, सो वी वर लाफिंग ऐसे वी कम ऑल द वे and they're running after the pigeons. So I think it's time we get them back here very quickly.
तो गौरी, आज इतनी बड़ी पार्टी रखी गई है सेलिब्रेटिंग जो आपने इतना बड़े इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स के साथ कोलैबोरेशन की है, तो इट्स बीन अ बिग डे एंड अ बिग वीक इन योर लाइफ.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I'm overwhelmed to be here today. People have been showcasing over the last 20 years at the Maison. So it was difficult for me to, be here and showcase what I get from India.
गौरी, आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं आज. So are you in the Paris state of mind now?
Well, I'm trying very hard, all dressed up, trying to look glamorous, and since it's the fashion capital, I have to try my best. I'm in Monisha Jaising tonight.
But do you enjoy dressing up and putting on the makeup, parties mein aana?
Well, my first problem to enter a party is always the hair and makeup. I prefer just being casual, no hair, makeup, nothing. But then I guess when you have to be in front of the camera, I think you have to look a bit glamorous, and that's why today is the look.
एवरी गर्ल जब छोटी होती है उसका एक ड्रीम होम होता है, सपनों का घर होता है. तो गौरी का भी कोई ऐसा ड्रीम होम, एक सपनों का घर था?
I got married straight after college. तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला ड्रीम करने का. One day I woke up and I was married and in Bombay.
जैसे कि शाहरुख was very clear he wanted a house opposite a sea. तो ऐसे कोई इच्छाएं नहीं?
No, I think once I got married, then obviously Mr. Aziz was very kind. He gave us his house to stay. तो शादी के बाद I would say that we started dreaming that we should have a home, and we started working towards it. And then we moved into a rented apartment. I still remember it was in Mount Mary, and my mother came. She walked into the apartment and she said, I can only see mattresses. Where is the furniture? So I looked at her and said, well, we want to buy the best. और जब तक वी आर गोइंग टू कलेक्ट सम मनी and get a beautiful bed. So she said, तब तक आप ऐसे ही सोओगे? So you cannot even imagine that we did sleep for a year at home and we had no furniture.
तो आज गौरी खान के खुद के डिज़ाइन है, तो कौन सी वो एक पर्टिकुलर डिज़ाइन आप चाहती कि काश मेरे पास उस वक्त होता, उस घर में मैं लगाती?
Well, that time I think just having a bed would have been a luxury.
Oh, actually, not many people know about these things. We've just seen the success. We haven't seen, the struggle really. Nobody really knows much about the struggle.
Yes, so I wouldn't say struggle would not be the right word, but of course it's been an uphill task for Shah Rukh, and he's successful today, and he's worked very hard for it. So it's not come easy. I think you can see that he's in a great space now, and all his dreams have come true and alive.
Do you and Shah Rukh ever, मन्नत के सामने कभी बैठते हो और आप, you all go through your journey, उस मन्नत को देख के लगता है कि वाह, सच में सारी मन्नत पूरी हुई है, ऐसा सुंदर घर मिला?
हाँ बिल्कुल, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अपनी नज़र लग जाती है तो हम कभी बात नहीं करते हैं.
We have also seen कि आज आपने काफ़ी फोटोशूट्स किए, on the roads of Paris, Eiffel Tower के सामने, तो कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर थीम थी ये कॉफ़ी टेबल बुक के लिए?
हाँ, so we are shooting here for this coffee table book. So Ace Builders from Delhi have signed me on. So it's going to be Ace Builders presents Gauri Khan Designs, and in the book we are going to carry their various projects, their works, what they've been doing, and from my side it will be, I'll be showcasing my designs as well.
ये मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है.
Yes, it's beautiful. I think there are some chandeliers here जो semi-precious stones में बनाए गए हैं. This is beautiful. So I think I'm sure you know who the designer is. I think it's Christian Louboutin.
गौरी, मैं तो बहुत ही मेरी नॉलेज एनहांस हो गई है about design and about architecture and furniture. And one thing I've been dying to tell you the whole day is that you and I, we share the same birthday and date. How cool is that?
No, you're a Libran, is it?
8th October. And you're a GK and I'm a GK as well.
Okay. Too many connections. Yeah.
आपके लिए what does Maison stand for?
Trends, designs and creativity, and it's a fantastic platform for anyone to launch their collection. So I'm here today and it was a fantastic experience.
It was the same for us also, Gauri. We had a lovely time getting to know you and of course seeing such beautiful creations that you have brought, and of course encouraged so much of our Indian artists back home. So I think it's a great effort, and please continue, and we really would hope that you go really to greater heights with your venture.
Thank you so much.
भाई वाह, पूरे पेरिस में गौरी खान छा गई हैं। वैसे हम सब ने गौरी को देखा है एज अ ब्यूटीफुल होम मेकर, अ डोटिंग मदर एंड अ फ्रेंड फॉर लाइफ। लेकिन गौरी का अपने काम के प्रति जो पैशन था ना, वो सच में यार काबिले तारीफ है। शी इज ट्रूली एन इंस्पिरेशन। खैर, ये था हमारा गौरी खान एक्सक्लूसिव स्पेशल ऑल द वे फ्रॉम द ब्यूटीफुल सिटी ऑफ पेरिस। अब मैं जाऊँ थोड़ी और शॉपिंग करने के लिए, इसलिए ऑफ वाह, बाय बाय, नमस्कार।
यार मेरा सुपरस्टार, विथ मी गरिमा कुमार।